everyone. So as part of our fulfillment in the course ITEL 201, we will be presenting group activity number 4, Abstraction. So if you go to the next slide, so here we have the brief overview. The following sample program is meant to demonstrate the OOP concept of abstraction. It is a simple library system that keeps track of books with item IDs to know whether a specific book is in use or is available. The program utilizes abstract classes and interfaces that get overridden. Abstraction provides many benefits in creating efficient code. So, abstraction in simple terms is very similar to encapsulation. So, they both hide certain parts of the code. So, the only difference is that encapsulation hides the actual data while abstraction hides the process, so it won't be visible to the end user. And in the next couple of slides, we will be presenting some of our sample code that demonstrates abstraction. Alright, so next up we're going to be talking about the Brenn class. So the Brenn class is the class that overrides the previous two classes that we have, which is the Lance class and the Oliver class. So if you look closely, it says class Brenn extends Lance and implements Oliver. So the attributes are declared in the Lance class, so it will just get the attributes from there as well from the Oliver class, and then that is all for the functionality of the Brenn class.
And so I'm Aron Oboza, and I will explain the Lance class or the parent class. Lance class. Here in our code, we made an interface which is the constructor Lance. This constructor, we created the attributes ID and title. In display details, we implemented method overriding. This method doesn't do anything because it doesn't have a body, and he's inheriting Brenn class. In Brenn class, it extends Lance class. We can see how inherited it, the Brenn method. Brenn talk about its attributes came from the Lance class. We override the display details from the Lance class to Brenn class, and here we created the body to print the item ID and the title. Here in the main class, we instance the Brenn myItem equals new Brenn B101 Java Basics. We created an instantiation and called myItem to output. The output is item ID B101 title Java Basics.
And so, I am John Oliver Valenzuela, and I will explain the interface class overriding. So here in our code, we created an interface class called Oliver, and it has an abstract method called borrowItem. At the moment, the method borrowItem does not do anything because we don't have a method body. But then, the method will be overridden in the Brenn class. As you can see here, we first implement the interface Oliver and create a method that has the same name as the abstract method inside the interface class. This way, we can alter and make specified thing that the method will do when invoked. In this case, it will print the following: the item plus the title of the book has been borrowed. To invoke or call the method in the main class, we will create an instance of the Brenn class, throw the parameter values, and call the class and method to be invoked. Thus, the original abstract class will now output the following: the item Java Basics has been borrowed.
For the last part is an conclusion. Abstraction is an OOP technique that hides certain details and only shows the important information. It can be achieved in two ways. Abstract classes uses abstract modifier. Interfaces uses implements keyword. And that's all. Thank you for listening. And again, I'm Aron Oboza together with my groupmates Brenn Briones and John Oliver Valenzuela. Thank you.